is to the Floration Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a pulp tray box. Look up here. It is made by white price broadcast pulp with black toner, and you can look at the surface. It is very smooth, and in the other side, it has some mesh texture on the surface. In addition, it is a good two-phase product. It is have a good holding effect to the product. So it is quite a good role to protecting the product. And all shape is molded by our mold. It doesn't need too extra code to make. And our products have achieved zero pollution, zero emission, and zero addition in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. To achieve the concept of environmental protection, the important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. And if you want to design a unique pulp tray package, welcome to contact us to get a free sample. Thank you for watching. Bye.